Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your plants look like this, tiny bugs everywhere, and you don't want to use chemical pesticides, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you a very simple, natural pest spray using garlic and onion, safe for your garden and easy to make at home. You know, chemical sprays can be expensive, and sometimes they're not good for our health, especially if we grow vegetables at home. So I prefer natural methods whenever possible. Garlic and onion have strong smells that insects really don't like, and this mixture helps repel aphids, ants, whiteflies, and other small pests. Let's start with what we need: one garlic bulb, one onion, and 200 milliliters of water. That's it. Very simple. First, crush the garlic and onion until they're nice and soft. You don't need anything fancy, just a mortar, blender, or even chop them finely. Now add about 200 milliliters of clean water. Give it a little mix, then cover it. And we leave this overnight. This gives time for all the strong natural compounds to go into the water. Okay, it's the next morning. Now we strain the mixture and keep only the liquid. This is our concentrated garlic onion solution. From this, we take 10 milliliters and dilute it with 1 liter of clean water. Now pour it into a spray bottle. When you spray, make sure you cover both sides of the leaves, especially the back, because that's where insects like to hide. Also, spray the stems. This works best in the early morning or late evening when the sun is not too strong. I usually spray 2 to 3 times a week until I see improvement. Here is a small tip. You can add 2 or 3 drops of dish soap. This helps the spray stick better to the leaves. And remember, this is a repellent, not an instant killer, so be patient and consistent. After a few days, you should notice fewer insects and healthier plants. I really love this method because it's affordable, natural, and safe for home gardening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends who love gardening. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.